What if I told you that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 can be written only using two symbols? Like this? Yes, we can. Let's find out how in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Brainy Buddies. I have prepared an amazing video of exponents and powers where we'll be diving into the basics of exponents and powers, doing a lot of questions, and learning tricks of exponents and powers, laws of exponents and powers. So let's start. So first of all, we must know, what does this 4 represent? Why is this tiny 4 raised up? So this 4 represents how many times this 2 has been multiplied repeatedly. If I add another 2, if I multiply another 2, then this 4 will go and become 5. So just like that, this 5, this 4, the numbers that are being raised, these represent how many times the other number is being multiplied. Now we can't call it a number, other number, first number, second number. So we have names for it. This 2 is known as base, and this 5 is known as exponent. And you might be wondering, okay, but what do we call the combination of exponent and base? We call the combination of exponent and base as power. Now, how do we read this power? You might be wondering. You can't read it as 2 and 5. You have to read it correctly, like this: 2 raised to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. You can read it in any of the ways, or you can simply read it as 2 power 5. That also works. So, first, let us dive into laws of exponents. What are laws of exponents? Laws of exponents are like these magic tricks that are there in exponents and powers, which make powers and calculating large numbers very, very easy for us. So let's think. How do scientists and astronomers calculate large numbers or calculate very big distances? Yes, the answer to this is by using laws of exponents. Today, we will dive into one law of exponent, which is the first law of exponent. It is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. We will learn about this law today in today's video, and we'll do some questions on this law. So as you can see, a power m into a power n. Have you noticed something? Here a and a are the bases, which means the bases are same? Yes. So make a mental note to yourself or a quick note to yourself in your mind that this law only works when you have the same basis. Only when you have the same basis. If you have different bases, this does not work. Same basis and different powers, then this works very well. Let us see some examples to make this explanation more clear. 2 power 3 into 2 power 6 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 6. So 2 power 3 into 2 power 6. First we check. We check if the question has same basis. Okay, it has same basis. Does it have same powers or different powers? Same basis and different powers. Well, this automatically means the first law, a power m into a power n, gives you a power m plus n. Let's apply that. So 2 power 3 into 2 power 6 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 6. And what is 3 plus 6? 2 power 9. So that is it. There you got your answer. See how laws of exponents makes it very easy? Let's take another example. So we'll take a big example this time. 2 power 125 into 2 power 30 is equal to what? So here you notice that bases are same, exponents are different. So what you'll do? We can add them, add the exponents. Because in the first law of exponents, it is saying a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. It's also very catchy, so you can remember clearly. So how do we solve this question? So we can replace this question mark with 2 power 125 plus 30. What is 2 power 125 plus 30? It is nothing but 2 power 155. And that is your answer. Okay, very nice. Now let me give you another example. What if we have a negative exponent? Let's see. 2 power 7 into 2 power minus 10. Okay? Now you don't have to panic. You don't have to panic about the negative exponent. You just have to use the law clearly. 2 is same, the bases are same. Just use the law. 2 power 7 plus minus 10. 2 power 7 plus minus 10. So that will give you 2 power minus 3. And that is it. That is your answer. So let's dive into some questions now. Okay, let's do some questions. So question 1. 3 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 7. So here bases are same. So we can find it easily. 3 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 7 is equal to 3 power minus 5 plus minus 7. Wait, I'll just make this bracket different. Plus minus 7. So this is nothing but 3 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 7 is equal to 3 power minus 12. Very easy. Let's do a different question. 7 power 10 into 7 power 20. So this is equal to what? They have asked you to find the value. So this will be nothing but 7 power 10 into 7 power 20 gives you 7 power 10 plus 20. So 7 power 10 into 7 power 20 will give you 7 power 30. What is 10 plus 20? It is nothing but 7 power 30. Okay, so let us explore some more questions. So let's think of a question. We can have, wait 1 minute, 12 power 24 into 13 power 26. Now, think of how to solve this question. Can you solve this question using the first law of exponent? Can you? No, because this is not the law to be used in these type of questions. You can use a different law, but I'm asking, can you use a power m into a power n gives you a power m plus n? Can you use this law on the question? No. So that was a trick question. Now let's do an actual one. 100 raised to power 10 minus 1 into 100 raised to the power 20 plus 1. So here it might seem bit hard, but it is not. It is very easy. So here you have same bases and different powers. Then just use your logic and use the first law of exponents. Now what's 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1 is 9 into 100 power. What is 20 plus 1? 20 plus 1 is nothing but 21. So that is your simplified question. Now this is just the question, okay? This is not yet the answer. We still have to find the answer. So this is equal to 100 power 9 plus 21. So 100 power 9 into 100 power 21 will give you 100 power. What is 21 plus 9? It will give you 30. Okay, let's solve some more questions. Now question 4. Okay, so the question is saying 3 power 3n minus 1 into 3 power 2n plus 1. Okay, and they have given n value is equal to 4. Okay, so here you can do the calculation. 3 power 3 into 4 minus 1 into 3 power 2n plus 1. So 2 into 4 plus 1. So here it is 3 raised to the power 3 into 4, which is 12. 12 minus 1, 11 into 3 to the power 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So this is just the question, okay? So 3, 3, same here. 11, 9, different. So what we can do? We can do something else. We can, this is the question. So we can just use the first law of exponents, which is this one. So here you can put an equal to and write 3 power 11 into 3 power 9 can be written as 3 power 11 plus 9. So 3 power 11 into 3 power 9 will give you 3 power 20. So I hope you understood the concept. Please feel free to share with your friends and please like the video if you understood the concept and enjoyed my explanation. Please subscribe to my channel and comment in the chat box if you want some more questions or any other video topics or any other ideas, and I will surely do your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.